So I'm just having a look at removing this failed end seal here, blanking cap from the timing synchro gear. As you can see, the original seal there has been pushed too far back into the gear and it's allowing oil to weep from the center of the rubber there. So I'm going to drive a screw in, remove this seal, clean it up and then fit the new seal. So as you can see, drove a screw into the seal there. And I'm going to see if I can get that pulled out. Halfway there. Nearly pulled it out. Try again. There we go. That's the bloody culprit. So I've now got the seal removed and the gear all cleaned up, ready to install the new seal with some RTV around it. Right then guys, so I didn't manage to film doing the actual install, but I used this offcut of aluminium here, just something to stick it on to the seal, so when you install the seal that gives you a stop so you don't put the seal in too far. And then once you're finished, scrape off any excess sealant, as this seal is not an interference fit, it's a sliding fit in this gear, so it needs a bit of sealant as well to make sure that the oil's not going to weep out again. So I'm going to have to now leave this overnight, let the RTV set and come back tomorrow and see if this has solved the oil leak. So as you can see now, the next couple of days on, the seal has now set in place and there is no oil in the surrounding housing, so I can give the engine a start and see if we'll get any weeping. So now got the engine running. It's been running for about 5-10 minutes now. Got the timing cover all back in place with that engine mount reinstalled as well. As you can see there, still looking nice and dry inside that timing casing, and there doesn't seem to be any oil leaking from the engine anymore. So I think I call that a win. Really pleased with that. Hope this has been helpful to some of you guys out there with the same van or with the same problem on a similar van.